So since I got back, decided to do a little vlog. I'm actually heading now to Safety Harbor area, which is basically a fancy name for St. Pete. I'm gonna go meet my buddy John. You guys met him before. We're gonna do some cruising around today. It's a beautiful day. I need some food. I'll definitely drink some beer. I have 2 more days of vacation left, and I go back to work Monday, so I gotta make this thing fucking memorable. So, hopefully you guys enjoy.
99 problems and a bitch ain't one.
If I'm a good Samaritan and actually lane split to tell them that their trunk's open, does that mean I'll get in trouble? How can you not know that your trunk's open? Let's see if we can get closer. Oh, there goes the trunk person. No turn on red. Don't do it. There is no turning on red. Oh no, that sucks. Friggin' board's broke.
Showing it off to some friends and jumping up and down on them. Look how flexible it is. Oh, boo.
Oh, you broke it? Hey. Isn't there a place like down here, like a little Irish pub bar thing or whatever?
Oh, you want to go to Red Lion?
Yeah, do they have food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it, let's just go there. What a dick. Do it again, do it again. So our next stop's going to be Mahafers. May have seen this on a couple of videos, especially with Shade Tree, but it's been a while since I've been out here. It's this really cool, like, whole fucking bullshit, shitty hole-in-the-wall bar. It's got panties and brawls and, like, really low ceilings. So it's got a pool table with, like, broken sticks. I think it only has like 5 balls to the table that's left of it.
It's probably welded shut.
I don't think it works anymore. It even has a little freaking... Oh, it works.
I think they take it out for parades.
Yeah.
I'll actually... I'm gonna tell the story on camera.
Just go ahead.
So I have this superstition. Whenever I go surfing, especially always in Cocoa Beach for some weird reason, if there aren't any waves, if there's not a set coming through, I pee in the water. And every time I pee in the water, no joke, I get a set come through. It's like a continuous thing. So
is it like a give and take type deal?
I guess so.
You give it a little bit.
It's just a weird relationship. Like a really weird relationship.
Sounds like Mother Nature likes it when you pee on her.